Thank you so much, the MC. Honorable Minister General Kahinda Otafiire, the Minister of Local Government, all dear honorable colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everybody.
Good morning.
Now, honorable colleagues, remember we invited the Honorable Minister for Internal Affairs to open this function, then after he leaves. And I don't want to delay him here for more than the next 10 minutes. Because he's going to, we had enough time with him yesterday. Thank you so much, Honorable Minister. So I don't want to again delay you here for more longer hours. Because we know that you want to go because you have a flight. Now, but for the sake of protocol, Honorable Minister, give me 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. One, I invite my cow to welcome these people, and we are using 1 minute. My cow, you come here, and the vice chairman of the district, so that you can welcome people. Then we allow the Honorable Minister to officially open the function. Then after he opens the function, he can leave, and the rest, the speeches will go on. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, our Speaker, our Minister, and the General, and who happens to be the host Member of Parliament, our Minister of Local Government, officials from the Finance Commission, all speakers of all the districts of Uganda, and others protocol observed. This morning I'm very happy to associate myself with you. I'm called Timothy Jones Kanyihamba, the Deputy Chief Administrative Officer of Mitooma District Local Government. Mine is just to welcome you. You are all most welcome to Mitooma. Mitooma is cool, is welcoming. I'm happy. Yesterday you were already here. You are still enjoying Mitooma. You are most welcome. I don't want to delay you more.
Honorable and General Minister, our beloved MP of Mitooma, our honorable district speakers and your deputies, our invited guests, and all local leaders that are here. I take this opportunity to welcome you on behalf of Chairman LC5, who is still on his way because he was engaged somewhere but is soon reaching here. So I welcome you on his behalf. My name is Arnanye Penrop, the district vice chairperson. Before I sit, I want to acknowledge the tireless efforts of the district speakers in your executing your duties, especially in promoting democracy, accountability, and transparency. I want to recognize you. Thank you so much. So I welcome you from all across all Ugandans. Thank you.
Thank you so much, my dear colleagues, the cow and the vice chairperson. Now, may I take this and humble way? I know I am not supposed to be inviting you, General, because of your high level. But because we specifically invited you to open this function officially and bless it, I hereby invite you to address the honorable speakers and the minister on. Thank you so much, sir.